Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm out on a different part of this Cary State Forest Trail. I brought my truck this time, which we'll see if that was a good move or not because it's rainy, it's muddy, and I'm scared I'm going to get stuck. There's no traction on my tires. So far, I've done okay, but I brought a basket today. Look at that monster. I found that on the side of the road on the way out here. Looks like I ran some things over coming through here. I love finding these, but oftentimes they've been, it's slimy. They've been chewed on or something. Some waterways back here. I bet I could bring Eric back here to fish. I don't have the right shoes on for this. Look here. I'm not sure what to do. I could continue down this track, possibly get stuck there, but have a way to turn around a little past there. Or I can try to back all the way out of this and go the main route. Go straight, which led me to 2 more roads. Check out and see what's around here. So, at the end of this road, looks like we have some beehives and a state park. Some of them look abandoned, and there's no bees. Maybe the state did it. Who knows? It's weird though. I'm not gonna check to see if the wire is live, that's for sure. The wire wasn't live. It was actually broken in several places. And none of those hives were active, so either the state put it here for some reason and abandoned it, or someone else put it here and abandoned it for some reason. I hear dogs barking in the background. It's kind of creepy because it is hunting season and I'm not wearing bright clothes today. Somebody's old hunting stand. Well, look at this. Overheated in the middle of the woods. Thank God I had some coolant in my truck. Just found a small set of bones. I just saw something from the road that looks massive. Through there. Just learned somewhere about this kind of leaf. But now I can't remember. Elm, poplar, not sure. Can you see it yet? Look. I don't know if this is the same thing or something completely different. Because it's very thick. I just had to back away from a scary situation. Was right there, and he did not even move. Oh my goodness. Whew. Cottonmouth, water moccasin, not sure. That's what I'm guessing. Road closed to vehicles. Doesn't say anything about feet. These colored ones. Almost like burnt marshmallows on the campfire. Another one of those white stinky ones that smells like old washcloth. That's cool. I'm not absolutely positive, but this looks like a giant pile of lava rock. Be asphalt though. Maybe. But look. Almost walked up on somebody else. That guy fit in perfectly with his surroundings. That was scary. He was cute though.